All right, what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk through the Domain Dominance PLR package delivery page. So after you make your purchase, this is what it looks like on the inside. We want to show this to you so that you get to see everything that you get and how clean and easy to navigate our delivery page is. So we start off at the top with the different pages that are available with this package, so the different pages that you navigate to, and we'll go over that in a minute. But the first thing that you do is you're going to watch the welcome video, and this welcome video walks you through the site and tells you where everything is and how to get everything, and then you're going to have a document. This is your article pack, so it's going to either be in Word or text. Well, it's in both formats, but you can pick one or both and download them. We remind you of what you can do with the articles. We've got a article directory list. I think it's about 3 pages long, so you can download that list, and it's just line after line of different article directories that you can click on, go to the article directory, and submit your articles. So that's the manual way to do it. And then the next thing that we have here is a recommendation. This is the service that we have, and they've got a $1 trial if you want to submit your articles in a more automated fashion. You would use that service. Then we repeat what your rights are, and then now we're going over the bonuses. So the first bonus, how to become a GoDaddy affiliate, and the second bonus, how to become a domain name reseller. So let's go ahead and click on the link for how to become a GoDaddy affiliate. Now it's going to open up in a new page, and here we are with that new page. So once you're on this page, you're going to see 2 videos. So video 1 is step-by-step instructions on how to register as an affiliate and the available options for registration. Then video 2 is step-by-step instructions on how to promote specific products within the GoDaddy affiliate program. So how to promote the products. And then if you click to register as a GoDaddy affiliate, you would just click this link. Now when you've got the articles, all you have to do is insert your affiliate link into those articles, and you're good to go and can start earning just by sending out those articles. Now the next thing that we're going to explore is becoming a GoDaddy reseller. So I'm going to take you back to the home page so that we can look at where that is on that home page. So if we scroll down to the second bonus, how to become a domain name reseller, we're going to click on this link to be taken to that page. All right, now that we're on that page, we talk a little bit about the program, difference between an affiliate and a reseller, who would be a great candidate for the program. We talk about the top resellers last month, and then we give you the link to register. So if you want to go ahead and register to become a reseller, you can do that. And then in video 1, we talk about the reseller program and how you can sign up and how it's perfect for you if you'd like to have a system to sell domain names, hosting, SSL certificates, emails, much more. So you can watch that video to see what the program is all about and how you can really profit from it. And video 2, which is right here. So again, video 2, if you want to sign up as a reseller, you're going to click on this link, and once you've signed up, you're going to watch video 2. We give you a sneak peek into the back office, and if you watch that video, you'll get the sneak peek. Then you're going to click here to register as a GoDaddy reseller if that's something that you want to do, and then we offer a bonus, and that is we'll give you a complimentary getting started coaching session to help you get started with your reseller program, how you can implement it in your business. Just have a little chat about what you're trying to do with it, and then show you the different things that you can do with it to take it to the next level. And then once you purchase it, you're going to email our support desk so that we can go ahead and contact you. So once again, I'm back on the home page of the Domain Dominance PLR package, and that's a quick walkthrough of everything that you get and all the pages as they're set up. And if you need anything after you purchase the package, all you have to do is click this button here for support, and we'd love to answer any questions, help you out in any way that we can, and provide you with great customer support. So we're excited to have you as a customer of Domain Dominance PLR. So go ahead and purchase the package, and we'll see you on the inside.